Hello and welcome to this fourth video of Sangam CRM. Today we are going to talk about how the smart customer feedback works in Sangam CRM. Fundamentally, the feedback from the customers, especially when you close their tickets or resolve their problems, is very important. But somehow it doesn't work for many cases because we are asking lot of questions to customer and then customers don't reply to it. So we have created a smart feedback mechanism and let's see how it works. So here is a ticket. I have created ticket for support and the status is pending. Let's say I open this ticket and after giving whatever solution it was required, I see it as closed, and as soon as I say it closed, the ticket has been updated successfully and the customer has been sent the email. So this is how the email which customer gets will look like, and from here the customer can give feedback by single click. So if I click on excellent, it pops up another screen where if the customer wants they can type something more. So whatever customer wants is already typed and I say send feedback. Now once this is submitted, the customer gets redirected to your preferred URL, and let's refresh this. So the feedback gets assigned to that ticket. So from here you can get all the details, you can analyze what feedback you get. Then this analysis can be done user wise, product wise, company wise, region wise, or whatever way you want to do it. There is another way you can filter out all the tickets who have received the feedback. So I have just created a saved search. In one of the other videos which will be upcoming soon, we will share how to create this saved search. So this is the list of all the tickets for which we have received the feedback, and let us display the feedback column here. Feedback suggestion, feedback response, and feedback date and time, and that's it. You have the list updated, and if you scroll it here you will find it there, everything is given here, and we have how the feedback was given: excellent, good, great, and based on this you can still further and create proper reports. How does this happen? Let us go to the backside of this and understand what happened behind the scenes. So there is this template which was sent to the customer, and this template you can design and you can change if you want. So these are the icons which the customer had seen, and if you click on this icon and if you try to edit, so here you can see all the details, what it is made up of. If at all you want to change anything, you can change this redirect URL. So currently we are redirecting the customer to njworld.com. You can redirect to your own website. There is one more thing that happened, and that was the workflow which got fired when the ticket got closed, and then based on this template which I previously showed to you, this was done. Now there is one question, whether this entire thing can be customized or not, the flow can be customized or not, whether we can send a feedback to customer before closing the ticket. Yes, it is 100% possible. Everything that I showed you can be customized, and by the way this works equally well on the mobile also. So if the customer receives mail on the mobile, as you can see on your screen, this entire email and the feedback mechanism is responsive, so it will look as good on the mobile also as it looked good on the web interface. Thank you very much for watching this video, and we would be very happy and obliged to receive your feedback, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you are not yet. Thank you very much for watching this.